Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of High Ride Garage. Paolo here, and today we are going to look at a super unique helmet, and this is super with the capital S. Why? Because this is with the Superman graphic, and this helmet actually is a one-off special that it was launched by the Ducati team in 2006. At the time, for the fanatic guys, you certainly remember Laconi, the French rider, but more importantly, you certainly remember Troy Bayliss. Troy Bayliss, that year, he was absolutely unbeatable, well, almost unbeatable. Noriyuki Haga and Troy Corser and James Toseland, they tried to win the championship, but they couldn't that year. And actually, because he actually won so many races, and he won, of course, the championship in 2006, the Ducati team decided to award him a wild card, and he took part of the 2006 Valencia GP, and he even won in front of his teammate Loris Capirossi, who was the pinnacle rider in the Ducati MotoGP team. So how can we not pay a tribute to Troy Bayliss when he actually has done such a stunning career, and he actually properly deserved to wear the Superman colors and color scheme. And as we can appreciate it from here, this helmet is in absolute perfect conditions, and I just got it second hand, just like all my helmets I have in the collection. And this helmet actually still comes in is perfect shape, doesn't have not even a scratch. It's in size L, and as you can see from the graphic, the X-ray vision and the Swami color and shape is still in really good conditions. And yeah, guys, this is a very nice helmet to have in the collection, not only because of Troy Bayliss, but also because these helmets are extremely rare. You can get quite a few replica helmets from Troy Bayliss, but this one is one of those that they have been produced very little worldwide, and it would be extremely difficult to find a second one. So when I saw it, I had to get it, and I managed to snap it. So, and I'm very pleased in the conditions that it is today. It is heavy. Of course, this it comes from basically, 15 years ago. So it doesn't not really surprise that it's not the lightest. It doesn't surprise that it doesn't have all the ventilation and shape for stability that we see today. But on the other hand, it's still a very nice helmet. I would not recommend to wear it for safety reasons. Every 5 years it's better to actually upgrade the helmet to the latest composite fibers and to the latest specs. But on the other hand, this would do very well on any shelf, on any Australian fanatic fans from the heritage of Troy Bayliss. And definitely this is a helmet that would stand out very nicely in any motorcycle riders racing heritage collection. Now, what are we going to see other than this? Are we going to see the fact that Troy Bayliss on that season, he managed on that particular race at Brands Hatch, where he was wearing this helmet, he came first in race 1 and he came second in race 2. So he came first in front of Noriyuki Haga in James Tosland, and unfortunately had to come second in front of behind Noriyuki Haga in race 2. But nevertheless, that was a sparkling battle which Bayliss fought very, very hard. And that year, as I said, Troy Bayliss, he managed to even win the last MotoGP race in Valencia. So what a hero, what a super icon, what a lovely guy. And please guys, come to visit my eBay collection, where you can see these helmets, and you can appreciate the very extensive collection I have there. Some of the helmets that you're gonna see in the next episodes, they have actually already been sold. One of them is going to South Africa, and another one of them is going to California, but nevertheless you can still take advantage of the specials. As you know, we have just passed the 500 subscriber marks, so thank you very much to everybody who has subscribed. And in the next few episodes we will actually discover who the winner of the special High Ride Helmet Edition. If you watched the video of the New Year's Eve 2020-2021, you will discover what is the design that is on offer today. So guys, subscribe to the channel, that in the next few days I'm gonna draw final the winner, and I will announce it on the channel. So thank you very much for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.